Hi everyone! Welcome back to Shin Tech Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a YouTube video link to your Instagram stories so you can get more views and drive traffic straight from Instagram. It's super easy and really effective if you want to promote your content. If this video helps you out, let me know in the comments, leave a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let's get started. All right, so first, open the YouTube app and find the video you want to share. This can be your own video or any video you like. Once you've got it, tap on the three dots, then tap on Share, and now select Copy Link. Now let's switch over to Instagram. Go to your story and open the camera. Here, you can either take a photo, record something, or just tap on Create if you want a simple background. If you choose Create, you can change the background color and tap on the screen to add any text you want. Next, tap on the sticker icon right here and look for the link sticker. Tap on it and paste the YouTube link you just copied. Now you can customize the sticker text. Something like "Watch now" or "New video" works great. Tap Done, and that's it. Your link is ready. From here, you can move it around, resize it, add emojis, text, or even images to make your story look more eye-catching. Once everything looks good, just tap on Your Story to post it. And that's it. Now you know how to add a YouTube link to your Instagram stories and start getting more views on your videos.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Shin Tech Tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!